Hey guys, welcome to the Kim Wright YouTube channel. We've done it again. We have now got a third box from the HMV collection. These are mystery boxes that I've collected from the HMV store. We had a blue box, we had a red box, and now we have a yellow box. What's inside? Will it be I know what the item represents, or will I have no clue as to what it is? So I'll explain the rules again on the HMV box. The basic principle is it could be any of the subjects that HMV sells. So it could be gaming, TV, film, music, fiction in any way, and many other things linked to HMV and what they sell. So let's see how many I can name in here. Fingers crossed. Oh dear. Slightly concerned about this one. Oh good. This was loose in here, so I was slightly worried that this was a little bit damaged, but it doesn't look like it. At the moment, this may be the first time I get duplicates, and this may be the risk that you get with this kind of thing. But the first thing that we've got is a cup with the Punisher's logo on it. Isn't that cool? Kind of makes it more sinister, doesn't it? It's got the name Punisher, as well as its maker, Marvel, and it's a lot more plainer than the other two that we've got, which is the only disappointment, but I love the way they've designed, so he's sort of half there and half not, which is just brilliant. I love that. Not impressed with the packaging, but we can't get everything right. Okay, so this item I might have to give to Stephen because I think he'll enjoy this one better than I will. So Stephen's been interested in a show called Rick and Morty. I'm not too much into it, but I do know I have seen some of the stuff that's in it. And we have, I think I remember who this character is. It's basically one of the kind of side characters to Rick and Morty. I think he's meant to have a full human body and this is just the face. But it's another key ring in the style of Rick and Morty. I might have to ask my partner what this character is called, because like I said, he knows Rick and Morty better than I do. So let's look at the research. Hey guys, so as promised, we have Maxius PSVR.
Hi there.
Yes. Now, I was just explaining that you know more about Rick and Morty than I do, so can you identify this character and tell us about it?
This character, if you can actually see it in the light, depending on which way around it goes, if I hold it up. This guy here is known as a Mises. Now, the Mises come in a small little blue box with a blue button on top. And when you press that button, it produces a Mises, which is one of these guys. And these guys, their entire existence is fulfilling one wish for you. So you can ask it to do anything that you want, like help you become more popular with the girls at school, or to take one stroke off your golfing game. However, existence is excruciatingly painful to a Mises, but when they have finished your request, they will cease to exist. So therefore, their entire existence is basically trying to fulfill your one request. There is a red version of this, which I think is basically a Git version of these. I can't quite remember the red version's names, but yeah, that is the Mises.
Cool. Back to you.
Okay. I didn't know. I kind of did and kind of didn't know that. Still a pretty cool keyring, and it's made of rubber as well. I don't like the smell of rubber, it really stinks, but now those are the two items that are different. The rest are duplicates, and you'll recognize them from from previous videos. So we have another Lion King pencil case, which is actually pretty cool. I could actually use this again, so I'm not going to just throw it away or give it to charity. I am actually going to use it because I need to store quite a few of my threads in here maybe. But it's fairly the same, and in a way it's actually pretty cool. I really like it, it's wonderful. I love the fact that it's got Simba, Timon and Pumbaa on it, and you've got this beautiful African design on the top and the bottom, which is just awesome. I really like it. By the way, I'm sorry about the bleached light. I've got the light right above me, so it's going to be a lot more bleached than normal. Now, this one I got wrong the first time. I'm not going to get it wrong again. Oh. So, this one is the land of Game of Thrones. I got it right that time. Didn't get it wrong. So, and still not a fan of Game of Thrones, but maybe I'll start watching it and do a review later on what I think. Like I said in the previous video, the issue I've got with Game of Thrones is the first series doesn't really pick up. I was told that the first series is pretty slow, and then the second series kind of picks it up, so maybe I need to skip to the second series and watch from there. But, you know, I think I know someone who might actually like this, a friend of mine, who is actually a Game of Thrones fan, so I might give this to him instead. And we have another Bane versus Batman from The Dark Knight Rises, which is pretty cool. It's another 3D poster. Again, I actually know someone who might actually like this. I think they would think this is pretty cool. I just love how they seem to dance on the screen. I really would like to know how one of these is made, but not everyone can spoil their secrets. And the final item, which is a duplicate, but I'm definitely keeping this because there's no way I'm getting rid of this. It is... Oh, maybe it is different. Is this the same? Maybe this is different. So it's the Pocket Harry Potter book, but this is Spells and Charms. Have I got this one? This looks like a different colour, but the reason I'm asking have I got this before is on the back it's got Wingardium Leviosa, which is the first spell that Harry Potter learns, and the swish and the flick, which is the movement of the wand as you do that spell. And I don't remember this being the design of the other notebook that I got. I could be wrong. I get things wrong all the time. What I've also noticed is it's actually got the house symbols on them, which is pretty cool. I do like this. This is cool. This is cool. And it's small as well, so I could stick it in my pocket and keep it with me at all times. Don't know if I can get this at work, because I imagine this is probably sold by work, so there might be some questions, but this is pretty awesome. Definitely not selling this. So even though we've got 4 duplicates and 2 that are definitely different, I don't think I'm going to... there's 2 of them that I know someone who would like them, who I would like to give to them as a present. I was going to give the original ones. Now I can definitely give one of them away, because I've got the other replica right here. Definitely keeping the pencil case. Why? Because why not? And I am definitely keeping the notebook. I wonder if the notebook's down there somewhere. I'm looking outside my hallway, but so it's not been a disappointment, because it has had quite a lot of cool stuff in it. And the fact that I recognise a lot of things now is actually really, really good. But I still... The thing that I was hoping to get from one of these is... because it mentions that it's linked to gaming. So I was hoping that there would be a link to games in it. But there doesn't appear to be any game links, unless I'm constantly picking up the wrong box. Incidentally, I wonder if it is as random as they say it is. I'm not going to get... I'll have to think about it before I get another box, just to test that theory, but I'm happy with all the items that I've got so far. I've got to find room for them now. Talking of room, we're getting on really, really well. I'm catching up with a lot of videos. Geek Gear, actually, that's a point. So I haven't done July's Geek Gear yet, and the reason being that I haven't done it is because Geek Gear are a little bit behind in their products. So they actually sent me an email, which was nice, explaining that they've got an item that's missing, which they're waiting for. It should be done at the time that this was recorded. So it might be at the end of this month's video, or it might be the end of next week. I'm not sure. But we're going to keep it up. We're going to keep things going. Check that everything's okay. I've also started a new diamond art, so keep an eye out for that. Hope you enjoyed the first one. And we're going to try and get through as many projects as we can. I got a lot of things that I need to do, so I need to catch up on a lot of things. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly, but we're getting there. Anyway, enough rambling from me. I've got to find a home for all this lot. So from me, stay safe, stay well, keep the magic in your fingertips, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.